Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how I'm going to put together my grilled fish. Today we are using tilapia. I am preparing for my work week. This is going to get me and my husband through our work week. So we're going to start by taking a paper towel and we're just going to make sure we pat them dry. And I have an Indo grill that I'm going to be putting these on. Okay, we have those all patted dry, and now we're going to put these to the side and we're going to make up our little marinade that we're going to put on them. For our marinade, we're simply going to use some of this Banja citrus marinade mix. And let's take a look inside of there. This is what it looks like. Okay, we're going to get that into our bowl. But we're simply going to add some olive oil to it. A lot of times I do not measure. I just get it in there and come up with a nice concoction of my own. So I'm going to get a little bit of this ginger paste in there, and that's going to give it a little heat. And now we're going to add just a hint of some cooking sherry. And all of that's just going to cook right out. Simply going to take our seasonings and brush it all over our fish. Don't be shy, get it in there. You want to take your fish and flip it, because we want to get that marinade on both sides. And we're going to go ahead and baste the back side of our fish. It's simple and healthy. Now, you want to allow this to marinate for at least 30 minutes before you go ahead and grill them off, or you can place them into the oven. But for me, it's probably going to be a good 2 hours. So I just wanted to go ahead and get my dish prepared so it can be a quick evening. Okay, I'll show you how I'm going to grill these off when I come back. Along with our baked fish, we're going to have some sautéed squash to go along with this. So I have 3 big squash here that I'm going to just slice up. And we're going to also let these marinate. So we're going to go ahead and finish cutting these up, and then I'll show you how I'm going to toss these into a nice little dressing. And we're simply going to put these in the oven and let them roast for a couple of minutes. We're going to take our squash and add some grapeseed oil to them. This is for all our seasonings to make sure they stick to our vegetables. Just want to get them nice and coated. And here I have some onion mushroom seasoning. I'm going to toss some of that in there. And we also going to add a little ranch dressing. Today, I'm not measuring anything. This is all just a dinner idea that's going to make your food taste nice and flavorful. You just want to make sure everything is nice and coated. And I'm going to take my cookie sheet and I'm just going to turn these out on my cookie sheet and let them roast in the oven. And we're done. I'll show you what it looks like when I get back. We're going to be using our Power Smokeless grill today. So we're simply going to take our fillets and I'm going to flip them over to suck up all the rest of that goodness. And we're going to lay those right there on our grill. We're going to set our grill to 400, turn our fan on, and we're going to let that cook for about 20 minutes, and then we're going to flip them. Okay, it's been about 15 minutes. Let's see what our fish is doing. And we're gonna go ahead and flip them over. Remember, we set our grill on 400. It smells so good. Oh, it's nice and tender. How beautiful is that? Got our grill marks and everything. You have to take your time with this one. Oh, that is gorgeous, gorgeous. So about another 10 minutes on the other side, and we are ready. Okay, for our last 5 minutes, I have some rotel tomato here, and I'm going to add about a teaspoon of minced garlic to that. And we're going to put a couple of shakes of parsley right on top of that. We're going to give that a stir. And we just like to layer our flavors. So we're just going to take this concoction here, and we're going to put this on each fillet. Here's our fish that we have removed from our grill. Now I have 5 containers here that I'm getting ready to meal prep for our lunch for this week. Just going to take one fillet and place it in each container. Now I'm just going to take our sauteed squash and place some of those in another compartment. And lastly, we have rice pilaf. We're going to take a scoop of that and add to the other compartment. And my dear, this week's meal prep is complete. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And if you would like to see me do more of these meal preps, please leave me a comment down below. I will be more than happy to oblige. And until next time, remember to keep life simple, try to keep it a little healthy, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye now.